Hey everybody, it's Ravi, RaviUnites.com, and this is your Minute to Pivot. With all that's going on in the world right now, I find there's an interesting opportunity despite all the problems. COVID-19, for example, obviously it's created a lot of issues for everyone around the world. But this is the first time, certainly in my lifetime, and maybe in my parents' lifetime, where the entire world is united around a common challenge, and that is the coronavirus. Now, with that, we are at the same time experiencing increased racial division, especially in the United States following the murder of George Floyd. And I'm wondering if the global unity that is being afforded right now by the coronavirus can in some way be pivoted into creating racial unity because the coronavirus doesn't discriminate. We are all susceptible and we are all united in that. So that's just a thought. What do you think? Is there any way that we can pivot our unity around the coronavirus into creating unity around some of the most divisive issues that plague humanity? Please post your thoughts below and let's get a conversation started.